Watch the tutorial step by step, and after watching this tutorial, you can make like this one. At the first, we need the image, and for the image, I'm in here, Leonardo AI, and if you are not familiar with this AI tool, I had given the website link in the description box, so you can go and check out there. And after that, click here create an account, then click here sign up, and after the sign up, you will be here, then click here image generation. Now for the image, we need a prompt. So if you don't have any prompt, just click here, prompt generation. Then give some keywords depending on your prompt. I'll go with this one. Then I will click here, idiot. Then select the one, which one you liked. So let me go with the first one. Then I will copy this. Then I will come here. Then I will paste this. Then I will just come here. Then I will change the ratio. I'll go with 6:9 because I will make a video that goes with YouTube. Then I'll come here. On the model section, I'll choose Dream Shaper. And in here, I'll choose 3D render. And then I'll go to generation history. And then I'll click here, generate. It will take some time and it will give us the perfect image. My friends, you can see that our images are ready right now. Then from those images, just select one which one you really liked. I go with this one, click here, then just click this option which is called Alchemy Smooth Upscale. Then it will take some time and it will upscale this image. Now you can see that our image is upscaled. Then I'll click here, download this image. So my friends, I want to interrupt you to something. Maybe a thought came in your mind. Why should I use AI tool to generate image only? When there are lots of images already on the internet, I can easily go there and download them and use them for my own. But if you use someone's image without any permission, you will get a copyright claim. So to avoid copyright claim, you have to use your own generated image. Obviously, for your satisfaction, you can use any photos you want. But if you want to upload this on internet, you have to use your own generated image. So our image generation is done. Now my friends, we need to edit this. And for that, I'm using here CapCut. Then click here import. Then import the image. Okay. Then I'll click here add. Then I'll change the ratio here. I'll choose 6:9, which is perfect for YouTube. Now you can see that our image is ready. But we need the music. So for the music, you can see here that there's an audio section. You can click this and you can see here that there are lots of musics here. For example, if you need a LoFi track, you can just click here and search here LoFi relaxing music. And then you can see here that there are lots of musics here. You can use these and every musics are copyright free. But what if you want to add another audio or like you didn't like these music tracks? For that, we'll use here YouTube Music. Just come this website, YouTube Music, then click here. Now you can search here any music you want. But remember that if you have the intention to upload that video on the internet, you have to add in copyright free music. Let me go with this one. So if you search like this, you can get lots of musics which are actually LoFi track, and you can download this and you can use this for yourself. But different people have different mind and each of them have different choices. Someone like music, someone like natural rain sounds, someone's like a library sound, or someone's like nasheed. So in here, I'll use a nasheed because I like LoFi nasheeds, and sometimes I listen LoFi nasheeds when I study. So for that, I'm going with copyright-free background nasheeds. For example, this is my favorite nasheed, and what I'll do, I'll just click here, then I will go with the share option, and then I will copy this. Then I have to go on another website which is called Snapsave YouTube. I'm using this website to download the audio. Then you have to just click here and then go with YouTube to MP3. Then paste the link here. Then click here download. And then just click here and go with the best MP3 version. I'll go with 320 kbps. Then click here get link. And after that the download will be available. And then click here download. Now our music is done and also our image is done. So what if we use a time clock on our video? It will seem so good. For that, we have to go to YouTube. After coming on the YouTube, just go in the search bar and search here green screen 2 minutes timer. Then click here search. To show you the sample, I'm making a 2-minute video, but it's up to you. Maybe you wanna make a 1-hour video. You have to just edit a little bit green screen for a 1-hour timer. It's up to you how much duration you want. Now you can see that there are lots of videos on 2 minutes countdown. Let me go with this one. Then I'll click here 3 dot. Then I'll click here share. Then I'll copy this and we'll go at the previous website Snap Save YouTube. Now I'll go here YouTube to MP4 because I need this as a video. Then I'll paste the link. Then I'll click here download. Then I'll click here and I'll go with 180 pixels. Try to go with the best version of the video or the audio because the high quality it will be, the more engagement it will get. Then I'll click here get link. And after some time the download link will be available and click here download. Okay my friends, all of the elements are ready. Right now we can edit our video properly. So let me go to the video editing software. And now I have to import all of the elements here. Now you can see our audio and our timer countdown is imported. Then I'll click here on the audio. Then I will click here add. I'll just delete at the first audio section which is empty. Okay, now that's cool. Now I'll edit little bit. I'll increase the size of the photo to adjust to the audio. Remember that if you want to make a really long video, for example, you want to make a 1-hour video, you have to remember that the audio also have to be 1 hour. Also you can do this, like you can just add multiple audios to increase the length of the video. Now you can see that our audio and our image are in the same size. Now is the most important part where I'll do some edits that will make this video really cool. What I'll do, I'll just copy this. Then select the first image. Then go with cutout option. Then click here auto cutout. And now you can see that the first image background is removed like this. So right now we have to add some effects. So click here effects. If we use some effects, the video will be so much attractive. So what I will do, I'll just come here in the video effects. Then I'll search here Firefly. Then I will go with the first one. Just click here add to track. Now you can see that it's added. Then I will increase that at the last. Now I will add another effect which is gold sparkle. Then I'll go with the first one and also I'll increase that to the last. And then I'll just put this between these images. And then also I'll just add more effects. So just click here video effects and then go with lens. And you can see here that it's edge glow. Click this option and just increase that. Then I'll just decrease some glow here. I'll go with 15. Okay, that's looking good. Now I'll go to opening and closing video effects. Then I'll choose this horizontal open. Now you can see that it actually add a professional look on our video. Okay, then I will add a logo here. If you have a logo, that's fine. Otherwise, you can just add a text from here. Then click here default. Then give it a name. For example, I will just give a name LoFi boy. Then I'll choose a font here. I'll go with italic. Then I'll decrease the font size little bit according to mine. Then I will go to the opacity section. To decrease the opacity, I'll decrease that to 90%. Okay, now that's fine. And then I will settle this left corner. Then I will increase that to the last and also to the right section. Okay, that's looking good. But in here you can see that our LoFi boy is here, which actually creating a problem here and it's not seeming good. So what I'll do, I'll just put this under the effect. And now you can see that everything looking good. Now I will add another thing which is our timer countdown. So I'll just click this and then I will import this between the images. After that, go to cutout and then just choose chroma key because we have to remove the green screen. Then I'll just choose this key. Then I'll just choose this. Then I will increase the strand to the 100. Then it will decrease the size. Okay, now that's cool. And after everything, just click export to download the video. And then increase the frame rate to 60 fps. And then click here, export. So my friends, that's how you can create a LoFi video by yourself. And if you want to know anything, just use the comment box and I'll try my best to answer you. And the last of all, if you're new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also don't forget to give a like. And at the last, here's the video again to give you a beautiful glance. Peace.